This is possibly one of the hardest items there is to sharpen. And the reason is you have 4 bevels. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all symmetrical and they all come to one point in space. To add to the difficulty, they're also at a very steep angle. These tend to be very thick in the spine, and so if you go with a shallow angle, you'll get a very wide bevel, and you don't want that either. So this is how I would do this process. And this is where another benefit of where the angle guide will really help. This is another benefit where the angle guide really helps. So I'll make sure it's really flat. I get my angle and my lighting up into place. You cut one time, flip it, cut one time, come to the other side, make sure it's flat, all the way to the end, flip it. On the second pass, we should start to see the apexing. So the key to keeping the bevel symmetrical is going to be doing the same amount of work. I'll do one more just to show you guys. And I think that's going to do it. And that is how you can sharpen and keep perfect symmetrical bevels in the needlepoint tip. Hope that helps you out. Aloha, you guys. Have a great day. Hey!